On behalf of the mighty Matador NJRTC, good day. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, Texas Pledge, and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios entera con libertad y justicia para todos.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Honra la bandera de Texas. Prometo lealtad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios único e indivisible.
Carry colors. Ready, cut. Left turn.
What's up, Matadors? Today is Tuesday, September 30th, 2025. I'm Marion.
And I'm Miyah Bonilla. Coming up on today's episode of MatCast, if you order shirts from the Star Steppers, we'll tell you where to get them.
Plus, this week's fittings for Letterman jackets will take place. We'll tell you when, all that and more, so let's get started.
Attention all Matadors, if you ordered a shirt from Star Steppers, they are ready for pickup. These are just in time for the upcoming Spirit Weeks. You can pick them up in the athletic office with Miss Anderson now. Make sure to stop by and get yours before it's too late.
Attention cosmetology students. Cosmetology is hosting a club meeting tomorrow, October 1st from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. in D103. They'll be going over the end of the year trip and how students will fundraise for it. You'll also have the opportunity to meet the new officers if you have not done so yet. For more information, see Mr. De Leon or Ms. Guerra.
If you sponsor an organization or team that issues Letterman jackets, make sure you pick up your packets with Miss Anderson ASAP. Students must fill out the top portion of the form with their personal information fittings. For the jacket will be held this Thursday, October 2nd at 4 p.m. in the SAC lobby. Students, be sure to review the packet with your parents ahead of time and don't lose it. Replacements go to the end of the line. The school covers $40 for the jacket and letters, any extra patches, and names are your responsibility. For info on the patches or extras, visit ssrjackets.com. You can pay at the fitting or online within a week of fitting. Sponsors, please make sure you pick up your packets soon.
Calling all Lady Matador basketball alumni. We welcome you home for the first annual Lady Matador basketball fundraiser. The alumni basketball game will be on Saturday, October 18th in the Goldie Harris Gym from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Come out for some fun and to reminisce and honor those that have paved the way for our new Lady Mats basketball players. Get your shoes out the closet and get ready. We look forward to seeing everyone come out and show their support in the Lady Mats basketball fundraiser game. Now, here's Cesar Lopez
With some last-minute announcements.
What's up, Matador Nation? I'm Cesar Lopez, and these are your last-minute announcements. Lady Mats, are you ready for basketball season? Well, on October 22nd, basketball tryouts will be held in a SAC gym at 4:15 p.m. Tryouts are open to all of our Lady Mats who want to be a part of our winning team. So mark your calendars now and start getting ready. Do you have a favorite song that you should think represents our school year? Our yearbook is looking for your input to build our school year playlist. You can vote for your favorite songs to be featured in the yearbook. There's no genre limit, so submit the song you love. Just scan the QR code on your screen to enter your favorite song. That's all for your last-minute announcements. Now back to you.
Those are all the announcements for today.
I'm coming to you from the Matt Cave and Delta House. I'm Marion.
And I'm Miyah Bonilla. It's a brand new year, so let's stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing forward because
The future is here.